way down into me. Child, you were always meant to breathe. Slow like the rivers, deep like the rain. Nothing here needs to be explained. I have held you from the start. Every fear, every heart. Feel my rhythm under your skin. You are safe to soften in. Closer now, hear my sound. Your soul remembers solid ground. Rest in me, you are home. Never were you left alone. Every breath, every bone knows the earth is where you belong. Held by roots, held by stars.